Mama's Input, I am doing a test of different Grove products that I've received in my subscription box. Before I do that, please hit that like button, also that subscribe button to help me out a little bit. And it'll also keep me motivated to do more videos. So thank you for your subscription. So I have started Grove subscriptions about 2 months ago. And my first box, I got all these little goodies, different cleaners and everything. So this video is just me trying them out, showing you how well they work. If I like them, I will let you know. If I don't, I'll let you know. Tonight, I'm trying out Grove Stain Remover for carpet and upholstery. So as you can see, my child has eaten Oreos in her lovely little rocking chair and gotten them everywhere. So, and it's not coming off scratching it, so it's on there pretty well. So I figured this would be a good time to check out this product. I haven't used it before, so y'all get to see firsthand how it works. So we're gonna spray it down. Oh, that spray's thick. So it says to spray it on and gently wipe it with a washcloth. Oops. Knowing how dirty my kids can be, I'm gonna use a little scrubber. It sprays pretty good. It sprays on thick. The only thing is it does leak down the sprayer a little bit. Actually going to leave a link below for you to check out the Grove products. They're usually like harsh chemical free. They have a lot of reduce, reuse, recycle products. They sent me like a glass soap dispenser, glass cleaning solution bottles that you pour into a glass spray bottle. So reduce your plastic and the glass is recyclable. I ordered some trash bags that are made from 100% recycled plastic, so that's awesome. This is actually coming out really well. So you can still see where it's damp from where I sprayed it, but looks like all the Oreos came out really well. I will show you what it looks like in the morning after it's had time to dry. And we'll see how well it can clean. But I don't see any Oreo marks, but I'm wondering if these rings will disappear from where it's damp. So we'll check it out. So here is a video of Miss Meyer's Clean Day. So this is a toilet bowl cleaner I got with my Grove products. So I'm gonna see how it cleans this nasty toilet. Here we go. So it's supposed to clean and deodorize, so freshen the smell. I don't know if you can see all the dirtiness of my toilet, but it was hard to let it get this way. So while that is soaking in there, I'm going to use my all-purpose cleaner to clean the rest of this commode as soon as I turn the little turny thing. There we go. And this bottle that they sent sprays really good. I'm gonna spray that on my stool too. Testing out the all-purpose cleaner. I've already done a video of the window cleaner and the glass cleaner. It does amazing. No complaints with that. So I'm gonna let this set a minute and then give it a good cleaning. Okay, so as you can see, my toilet is much cleaner now. I would definitely give the Miss Myers toilet bowl cleaner a thumbs up. And it doesn't have the chemically smell like the Clorox toilet bowl cleaners. I give it a 5 out of 5. And then the all-purpose cleaner did a good job cleaning around the bowls. These two products from Grove get an A+ in my book.